There are days that you just feel so bored, even though you got a bunch of things to do. You will look for things that will divert yourself and keep you entertained. Listening to music is one of the things that will effectively divert your feelings. Today, I just want to share with you my recent purchase, which is the Marshall Action 2. Just a disclaimer, this is not sponsored. I just want to share my experience with this superb Bluetooth speaker. I've been dreaming of having a speaker from this brand line. I just love the classic looks and vibes of it. It can get along to any interior designs that's on my mind. It feels so good that finally I'm able to get it. The moment that I turn it on for the first time gives me chills. It gives an impression of quality sound right away. It is very easy to connect with your Bluetooth-enabled devices like computer, tablet, and smartphone. You can stream music directly to a speaker with no wires required. And of course, for an analog listening experience, you can plug in with a 3.5mm input. This speaker takes my video editing to another level. Instead of using the built-in speaker of my laptop when I get tired of using my headphones. Now, I can listen to my background music and sound effects clearly. I can also easily connect and switch between my computer and smartphone, thanks to the multi-host functionality of this speaker. Choosing background music and sound effects for my videos will never be the same as before because of the tandem of this superb speaker. And of course, Epidemic Sound, where you can find unique music for your content or videos. Check on my description below for the link to Epidemic Sound. You can enjoy 1 month free trial with a wide array of music and sound effects. Marshall Action 2 speaker may be compact in size, but it delivers a well-balanced, powerful audio experience. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. This is Jason Uliciano. See you on my next video.